The journey of building construction begins with project initiation and planning. This is where the dreams and ideas are translated into concrete goals. The budget is decided, the timeline is set, and the necessary permits are obtained. This step is the cornerstone of the entire process, where everything is meticulously planned to ensure a smooth construction journey. Next, we move to site preparation and clearing. Once the land has been chosen, it's time to remove any obstacles from the building's path. The land is cleared, graded, and prepared for the foundation work. This is akin to preparing a canvas for a masterpiece. Once the site is ready, it's time for foundation construction. This is where the groundwork is laid, ensuring stability and support for the structure that's about to rise. The foundation is the bedrock of the building, providing it with the strength to stand tall against the elements. With a solid foundation in place, the next step is framing. This involves building the skeleton of the structure, including the walls, floors, and roof framing. This is when the building starts to take shape and we can begin to see the outline of the structure. The next step in the process is roofing. The roof is installed to provide weather protection and add structural integrity. It's the shield that protects the building from the elements, ensuring the comfort and safety of its future inhabitants. Once the roof is in place, we move on to exterior finishing. This includes adding siding, windows, and doors. Not only does this step give the building its aesthetic appeal, but it also provides insulation, keeping the warmth in and the cold out. Next up is interior rough-ins. This is where the building starts to come alive with the installation of plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems within the framework. These systems are the veins and arteries of the building, providing it with essential services. Following the rough-ins, it's time for insulation and drywall. Insulation is added for energy efficiency, keeping the building warm in winter and cool in summer. Drywall is then installed for the interior walls, setting the stage for the final decorative touches. As we near the end of the process, we move to interior finishing. This includes applying flooring, trim, and paint. This is where the building starts to feel like a home, with each room being given its unique character. Next, we have fixture and appliance installation. Fixtures like sinks and toilets and appliances like stoves and refrigerators are installed, making the building fully functional and ready for use. Before we wrap up, there are final inspections to ensure compliance with building codes and quality standards. This step ensures that the building is safe, secure, and ready for its inhabitants. Finally, we reach project completion and handover. Any remaining tasks are finished, the site is cleaned up, and the building is handed over to the client, ready to be called home. In essence, the construction process is a journey, a transformation from a piece of land into a structure that's more than just bricks and mortar. It's a place that will house memories, laughter, and love. So the next time you see a building, remember the journey it has been on, from a dream to reality.